The buffalo. A majestic beast of the wild, and domestication buffaloes are iconic animals known for their strength, resilience, and adaptability. Whether roaming wild landscapes or serving as valuable livestock, buffaloes have captured human interest for centuries. This video explores every aspect of the buffalo, from its diet and physical characteristics to its behavior, lifespan, and fascinating stories that reflect its role in nature and human culture. What do buffaloes eat? Buffaloes are herbivores, relying entirely on plant-based food for their sustenance. Their diet is rich and varied, depending on the species and habitat, with wild and domesticated buffaloes having slightly different dietary habits. Diet in the wild grasses. Grasses form the primary component of a wild buffalo's diet. They are grazing animals and spend a significant part of their day consuming a variety of grass species. Leaves and shrubs. In areas where grass is less abundant, buffaloes will feed on leaves, shrubs, and small branches. Their powerful jaws allow them to chew through tough plant material. Aquatic plants. Some buffalo species, like the water buffalo, enjoy eating aquatic plants. In swampy habitats, these animals dive into the water to pull up vegetation such as reeds and water lilies. Seasonal variation. Depending on the season, buffaloes may shift their diet to include more fibrous material like dried grass and twigs during the dry season when fresh forage is limited. Diet in domestication. Domesticated buffaloes are typically fed a more controlled diet that includes green fodder, fresh grass, lucerne, and clover are common feed. Crop residues. In agricultural settings, crop residues like wheat or rice straw supplement their diet. Supplements. Domesticated buffaloes are often given mineral-rich supplements to enhance milk production or strength, depending on their purpose. How much food do buffaloes consume? The quantity of food a buffalo consumes depends on its size, age, and activity level. Daily intake. A buffalo can consume approximately 2% to 2.5% of its body weight in dry matter per day. For an adult buffalo weighing 500 kilograms, 1,100 pounds, this equals about 10 to 12.5 kilograms, 22 to 27 pounds, of dry food daily. Water consumption. Buffaloes also require significant amounts of water daily, around 30 to 50 liters, 8 to 13 gallons, especially during hot weather or when grazing on dry food. Physical characteristics of buffaloes. Buffaloes are large and powerful animals with robust builds and distinctive features. They belong to the Bovidae family and come in various species, including the African buffalo, Cincerus caffer, and the water buffalo, Bubalus bubalus. Average weight. African buffalo, 500 to 900 kilograms, 1,100 to 2,000 pounds. Water buffalo, 400 to 1,200 kilograms, 880 to 2,650 pounds. Length and height. Length. Buffaloes measure 2.4 to 3 meters, 8 to 10 feet, in length, including their tails. Height. They stand at a shoulder height of 1.5 to 1.8 meters, 5 to 6 feet, with males being slightly taller than females. Other features. Horns. Buffaloes have prominent horns that can grow up to 1.5 meters, 5 feet, in length in some species. These horns are used for defense, dominance, and social interactions. Skin and coat. Their skin is thick and often dark, with a sparse coat of hair. This provides protection from predators and harsh environmental conditions. Hooves. Their strong hooves are well adapted for walking in muddy or uneven terrain. How long do buffaloes live? Buffalo lifespan varies between wild and domesticated populations. In the wild buffaloes typically live 15 to 25 years, with survival heavily influenced by predation, food availability, and environmental conditions. In captivity, domesticated buffaloes live longer, with lifespans reaching up to 25 to 30 years, thanks to better care, medical attention, and consistent food supplies. Behavior and social structure. Buffaloes are social animals and exhibit fascinating behaviors, whether in the wild or domesticated environments. Social structure. Herd dynamics. Buffaloes live in herds that can consist of a few individuals to over 1,000. These herds provide safety in numbers and help in raising young. Leadership. Herds are often led by dominant females, while males may form bachelor groups or remain solitary. Communication. Buffaloes communicate using vocalizations, body language, and chemical signals. Low grunts, bellows, and body movements are common forms of interaction. Defense mechanisms. Buffaloes are known for their aggression when threatened. They form protective circles around calves and confront predators with formidable strength, often injuring or killing attackers like lions. Hunting and defense. While buffaloes are herbivores and do not engage in hunting, they are frequent targets for apex predators like lions, crocodiles, leopards, and hyenas in the wild. Despite being prey, buffaloes are far from defenseless. Their impressive size, strength, and social behavior make them formidable adversaries to even the most skilled predators. Below is an extended look at their defense mechanisms and survival strategies. 1. Horns. Nature's weapon. Buffalo horns are one of their most iconic features and their primary defense tool. These horns are sharp, sturdy, and curved, capable of delivering devastating blows. Goring predators. When under threat, buffaloes use their horns to impale predators. A well-aimed thrust can fatally wound or deter an attacking lion or hyena. Dominance and protection. Male buffaloes often lock horns in dominance battles, showcasing their strength. In herds, dominant individuals use their horns to protect weaker members and calves. Impressive size. Horns in some species, such as the African Cape buffalo, form a boss, a fused horn base, which provides additional protection to their skull during fights. 2. Strength in numbers. The power of the herd. Buffaloes are social animals that rely heavily on herd dynamics for survival. Their herds can range from small groups to massive assemblies of over 1,000 individuals, offering numerous advantages against predators. Protective circles. When predators approach, buffaloes form a defensive circle around vulnerable members, such as calves or injured individuals. The adults stand facing outward, horns ready to fend off attackers. Coordinated defense. Herd members work together to intimidate predators by stamping, grunting, and charging. This collective action often confuses and deters predators, especially lone hunters. Rescue missions. Buffaloes are known to stage rescues when one of their own is captured. Instances of buffaloes charging in to save a captured calf or adult from a lion or crocodile are well documented. 3. Charge. An unstoppable force. When threatened, buffaloes can unleash a powerful charge that can cause severe damage to their attackers. This charge is a combination of their massive body weight, speed, and determination. Speed and power. Despite their bulk, buffaloes can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, 56 km per hour, during a charge. This rapid acceleration makes it difficult for predators to evade. Unpredictability. Buffaloes are known for their unpredictable nature. A charging buffalo may target not just predators but anything perceived as a threat, including humans and vehicles. Serious consequences. A charging buffalo can toss a predator into the air, break bones, and even flip safari vehicles. This fearsome response has earned them the nickname, Black Death, in Africa. Romantic and reproductive behavior. Buffalo reproduction is central to maintaining herd populations. Mating season. Mating occurs seasonally, often coinciding with the rainy season when food is abundant. Males compete for females through displays of strength, including horn locking and pushing. Gestation. The gestation period lasts about 10 to 11 months, after which a single calf is born. Twins are rare. Maternal care. Mothers are highly protective of their calves, which remain with them for several months before integrating into the herd. Fascinating stories about buffaloes. The buffalo versus lion showdown. A dramatic encounter in Africa saw a lone buffalo fend off an entire pride of lions to protect its calf. This display of bravery showcased the buffalo's incredible resilience. The sacred buffalo. In many cultures, particularly in India, buffaloes are revered for their association with agriculture and deities. Water buffaloes play a vital role in rice farming. The clever escape. A group of buffaloes in a wildlife reserve was observed forming a tight circle to protect their young from a pack of wild dogs. Their strategy allowed the herd to escape unscathed. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.